Hello and welcome to Motor Match Stockport. My name's Daniel and I'm pleased to present you with this brilliant Ford Mondeo 1.6 TDCi ECOnetic Zetec. Now this vehicle is currently on 59,547 miles and it's had one previous owner from new. It's finished in the colour frozen white, and if you'd like more information please give us a call on 0161 885 0358. Now take a look around the vehicle here. Starting at the front, you do have your daytime running lights there that complement the vehicle throughout the day. You have a very stylish front grille with a nice chrome detailing there. Here to the side now you have your 16-inch alloy wheels. You have your indicator integrated into the door mirror there. Now let's go ahead and take a look inside to the rear of the vehicle. You do have a lovely cloth interior, a nice textured feel to the centre of the seats. There are ISOFIX points on the outer seats, so you can easily fit a child seat into the vehicle and be sure it's safely secured in for peace of mind. And overall, you do have a very nice amount of space here for rear passengers to travel comfortably. You do have the pull-out armrest there in the middle seat with two cup holders, and you even have your rear air conditioning vents, so rear passengers can benefit from the air conditioning and travel comfortably. Heading to the rear now, you have your Mondeo badging on the tailgate. Now let's go ahead and open up the boot. You do have heaps of space here available to you with the nice wide boot opening. Goes nice and deep into the vehicle as well. You can fit multiple suitcases in there nicely. You even have additional storage underneath the boot floor, making it very nice and practical. You have tethering points as well, so you can tie any loads down if you need to, if you don't want things to move around freely in the vehicle. You can see, taking a look there, just how wide the boot is. Moving on now. Up top you will find a handle allowing you to easily close the tailgate. Moving around, now let's go ahead and take a look inside here up front. Now you do have your leather multifunction steering wheel there. You have a nice silver finish on it as well. Around here, your front seats. You do have plenty of adjustment in the driver's seat, so you can easily find the perfect driving position and be sure you're comfortable in this vehicle. There's your armrest there in the centre as well, so you can travel comfortably and even store things away in there as well. Now we've had a look around, I'm now going to take you inside and show you some of the key features that this Ford Mondeo has to offer. So hopping in and starting on the driver's door, you will find your electric mirror adjustments that include folding. With the folding, you can quickly fold the mirrors in and keep them nice protected. Super handy, for example, when parking on narrow roads, as you can prevent the mirrors from being knocked off by other road users, as they do tuck nice and tightly into the vehicle. You have your child lock button there for locking the rear doors and windows if you don't want children at the rear to open the doors and put the windows down. Your full electric window controls there on the driver's door. You have your headlight switch there on the dashboard, making it super easy to access to turn the lights on. You have your wiper sock there behind the right of the steering wheel as well. Here to the right, you do have your volume controls for the infotainment system, along with changing tracks, along with the source of audio as well. You also have some additional controls for the infotainment system. Here to the left though, you do have your cruise control, which is ideal for those longer journeys. It means you don't have to keep your foot held on the accelerator the whole time, and it does allow you to arrive to your destination with a bit more comfort and less strain in your foot. Super ideal if you're always on the motorway and commuting. You do have controls up top here for the digital display in between the dials and the instrument cluster. You can access all different information on here. You have two trip computers, your fuel economy, your driver assist features. You can turn the traction control on and off here, your hill start assist, which will help finding the biting point. Here you do have your indicator stalk behind to the left of the steering wheel. Moving on now. Here in the centre of the dashboard you will find your infotainment screen. On this you can access your radio. You do have DAB, FM and AM radio. With your DAB you do have a nice clear audio quality as it's digital, so if you love listening to the radio you can enjoy it nice and clearly. It's very easy to find and tune your favourite stations into the vehicle as well, with a list of all different stations available to you that you can then go on to save as presets and access them very easily if you wish to. You can see there scrolling through your different stations available to you. You can of course as well connect your own source of audio. You do have USB, there's also your Bluetooth audio, SD inputs and a CD player as well, give you many ways to play your audio. Of course, with your Bluetooth, you can also safely make hands-free phone calls while on the go, so you can keep up to date with whoever you need to and ensure you don't miss any important phone calls there. Super easy to pay device up with the vehicle. You can just simply follow the instructions on the display as it takes you through connecting up. Now you do have some information here available to you. can access some notifications. You do have a calendar with the vehicle. You can scroll through different information. It keeps you nice and organised. Ensures you're aware of what the date is. You do have some applications available to you, and you also have your Where Am I, which will give you the coordinates of the location you're at. Now the vehicle is equipped with front and rear sensors as well as a reverse camera, giving you added confidence when parking, as it does make you more aware of your surroundings of the vehicle or things you may be able to see. Makes parking overall much more easier to do. You have your button there for enlarging, giving you more clearance on how close you are to objects. You have a button here as well, which is your park assist. Simply select the parking space you wish to enter with your perpendicular and parallel. Choose between the two and then follow the instructions on screen. You can even use it to help you leaving spaces as well. So if you aren't the most confident on parking, this is a nice touch to have. Now down below here you do have some physical controls for the air conditioning, but the majority of it is used on the touchscreen infotainment system there. You do have your temperature controls there. You can sync this up as it is dual zone climate control, which allows the driver and passenger to have their own preferred temperature on their side of the vehicle, preventing any arguments on being too hot or too cold. Super easy to use, your direction of airflow buttons there. You do have buttons as well for defrosting the front and rear windscreen. You have your 6-speed manual gear selector there, 2 cup holders as well. Thanks for watching this video on the Ford Mondeo 1.6 TDCi ECOnetic Zetec. This vehicle is part of the Motor Match promise that includes a minimum 30-day or 1,000-mile warranty, whichever is sooner. You do have RAC extended warranty of up to 3 years available, along with flexible finance packages available as well. All Motor Match vehicles are subject to a £150 admin fee, which covers the provenance check. For a personalised finance quote or to book a test drive, give us a call on 0161 885 0358.